Hey everyone, today we are going to be reviewing this LED wall pack dusk to dawn light. All right, so here's your LED panel here. It has a rotating body here, and this box is where all of your wiring is. So I'll open that up and just give you a quick show inside before we go get it installed. Here is all of your wiring connectors. All right, let's go see it installed. This 100 watt LED wall pack light is made of aluminum. It has a quick and easy installation process, and you're gonna love it because it's waterproof, it's sunproof, it's dustproof, and it's snowproof. All in all, it's just a fantastic light. It has an adjustable angle dial, so you can angle it within those 90 degrees, but with the dusk to dawn sensor, it will automatically turn off in the daytime and automatically turn on the nighttime. It's fantastic. There we go. We'll check it out when the photo eye gets working. All right, you're gonna see me walk around my house here. Look how bright my front yard is. It is so incredible all the way out at the end of the driveway. How much lighting is across my entire front yard. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you go get yourself an LED wall light. Bye.